Ito. So, we cannot say, no? Hindi natin pwedeng sabihin na pag natalo sila sa isang laro, wala silang pag-asang makabalik. So, nakita natin kahapon how they recovered, how they adjust to the system. And nakita naman natin, ang kanilang deficit lang dun sa first period. After the first period, they dominated the whole ball game. Humabol lang UC, no? I think pinakamababa na nakahabol. Yes, that was at 7 points. Pero tumulong, no? Yung kanyang mga penetrations. Although itong si Elefante, talagang hindi nilang mahirapan si Elefante to shoot from the outside. So, they really work they really work hard para masustain nila ang kanilang kalamangan.
And of course, this is the final game this season. Dahil wala ng Game 4, wala ng Game 5 sa dalawang kapunan na ito. And again, tanong yung Game 2. Napakaganda rin. So, matibay. Sabi mo nga. And again, Basan Fools from 3-point territory. Wala pa rin. At may bid ang ating referee.
Nila ang pagkakapanalo ng teams na ito on how. Of course, nakita rin natin kahapon pa, no? Nakita natin si Coach Joel Flores needs some lightning rods, no? Kailangan nilang meet sa dito para makaungos sa ball game. Elefante still can find his range from the outside. Now Basa on top of the key jumper. At pumasok. And the lead is down to 11 points. Under hindi pumasok dahil offensive rebound, putback, wala pa rin. And defensive rebound ni Arellano. Orduña, 3-on-2 situation. Now 3-on-3. Orduña! Yes!
And again, second is out.
So here comes the red shirts. Basan will go all the way. Basan, pinilit ang tira, hindi pumasok. Elefante recovers. Arellano is wide open. Up that pass from Elefante. And a good run at least for the UB Cardinals. The others down by 18 points from a high of 13. We'll pause for a break. We'll be right back.
Medyo nakakagulat talaga yan dahil napakalaking bigla kang titiraan from perimeter. And patented talaga using the glass.
And 3 from Elefante hitting the side of the boards. Arellano at pumasok. Very seldom na magkakaroon sila ng offensive rebound na ganon. For 3, good line pero hindi pumasok. And okasyon, high up for that rebound. Orduña, outside to Basan. Basan, labas niya kay okasyon. From the top of the key, 3-point shot. Yes! And that 3-point shot is brought to you by Bayou College of Technology.
And of course,
so 22 to 15, 8 and 15 remaining. Orduña for 3. Yes! And 2 in a row for the UB Cardinals. And now the lead is cut down this time. Pero Valdez is there for the putback. 24 to 18 ang ating score. Orduña. Cross court. Rasyon. Galicia. Orduña for 3. Yes! For Kevin Orduña. Jaguars. So kailangan i-capitalize ito ng UB Cardinals. They have to score in this possession. Once again, nalilimitahan ng UB Cardinals sa larong ito. And that is bad news for them. That happened in game number 1. They were limited in the first half. Basan for 3. Oh! And he just heard me. Please. Narinig niya ako. Galicia, jumper niya, yes! And that's a rare one from Galicia. Payas, easy 2 points. 37-24, rather 26 ang ating score. Orduña, 6 seconds remaining. Orduña, over to Inigones. Wow! And good way to end the first half by Negores. At least, no, natapisan yung kalamangan to a single-digit one. 37-28. Still, the UC Jaguars leading in this game number 3.
Hindi kaya sa action. Ito na yung hinahanap natin na player para sa UC Jaguars. Itong si Huralbal. Tingnan natin kung hanggang saan yung kanyang ipapakita dito. And again, Cathedral Bombs.
Will get a
Sayang,
foul.
Na matagal na hindi na ipasok ng si Bilibli. Ngayon lamang natin nakita dito sa third quarter.
Hindi natin some health reasons, no? And good for them. They are hindi naman sila natambakan dito eh. So
Ikaw ba kasamang work as referee or as a player? Anong pakiramdam pag ganitong game medyo matagal ka napahinga? Ano ba yan? May advantage or may disadvantage?
well, of course, no, yung matagal kang napahinga, medyo mahirap, no? Kasi kinukuha mo pa yung rhythm mo eh. And then ipapasok ko ngayong second half.
Malamig ka pa rin.
Baka malamig ka pa off the bench. So that might be, lamang pa rin sila ng isa. So that means to say na yung kanilang perimeter shooting at yung kanilang
Medyo pa
inside plays, doon sila kumukuha ng puntos. And of course, sa steals, according dito sa statistics na naibigay sa atin ni Roderick, no, ng Sunstar, ang steals QC.
Advantage o lamang pagdating sa score dahil nga sa mga pass break play.
Although we have to credit also the UC Jaguars.
But again, it's anybody's ball game pa rin po mga kaibigan.
Nice tap from behind by Basan. Naagaw ang bola. Elefante now back to Basan. Basan fakes for 3. Basan pa rin. Over to Elefante. Open from 3. Yes! And we've been waiting for that for a long time. And this is the first 3-point shot from Elefante. Wala kahapon, ano? It's very far from their game yesterday. We are looking for inside plays from the UB Cardinals. At walang-wala. Parang bumalik sa game number 1 ang kanilang linalaro ngayon. Bilibli. And Manoliano is blocked by Villanueva. Orduña for 3. Yes! So once again, the frontline defense of the UC Jaguars is very dominant. Garcia inside to Villanueva. Naago ang bola and Villanueva hinahanap ang kanyang noo kung nasaan. Now Elefante taking for 3. He will go for it. Now pinasa kay Basan. Basan, layup niya at pumasok. And the lead is just 9 points, 47-40, or rather 7 points, with a minute and 46 seconds remaining in the third period, mga kaibigan. Game number 3 tayo. We have a timeout. We'll be right back. At 10 na ulit ang kalamangan dito. 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining. Okasyon for 3. Yes! At sagutan ng tres dito. Ang pwesto para mga tres na pumasok. Walang ball. Bumangga kay Arellano. Now Orduña against Garcia. Elefante. Inside. Bilibli. Labas niya kay Okasyon. Over to Elefante. Orduña for 3. Yes! Wow! Took it for first 3 quarters of this ball game, mga kaibigan. Magandang finish for the UB Cardinals towards the end of this third period, ano?
First game, maganda kanyang ginawa. Second game, out. Kumbaga, hindi rin nagpakita masyado itong si Tumanan. Tingnan natin dito sa third game. And again, Elefante.
Bilibli, pinilit, yes. Talagang ginamit yung buong katawan para maka-score doon against Villanueva. Si Dail causing him to travel. 4-point lead for the Jaguars. UB with the leader. Bilibli double team inside to Arellano. Oh! At itong si Bilibli ang ginawa niya, no? Nag-decoy siya. Ginawa ang bola. Baseline. Hitting that layup underneath the boards. And a 6-0 run for the UC Jaguars. Okasyon, double team. Arellano. Over to Orduña. Long 2. Yes, pumasok.
Stepping on the line.
Oo. Well, the UB Cardinals facing a bleak future in this ball game. Tingnan natin kung makakahabol sila. Well, nakita natin. most of the points here in the fourth period coming from Orduña. Halos lahat yata nanggaling sa kanya, no? Ang trophy sa kanilang eskwelahan. And he made a 2-point shot. Orduña, tingnan natin. Whoa! So, it's an all Orduña shoot in this fourth quarter for the UB Cardinals. Getting high on that big rebound. Villanueva tuloy-tuloy! At dinalong ang depensa. Nagana pa ng foul. Hindi tatawag yan. Siyang bumangga. Binibli! Wala pa rin! And Dain. And split charities for him. The lead is down to 9 points. Pwede pa to? That could be the final nail of the coffin. Tingnan natin. As we approach the last 60 seconds. Orduña, yes! At meron pang kunting natitira. Tingnan natin. We'll see. Wala UB Cardinals. Orduña.
Pero nakita mo, napaka-basic ng mga play kanina ng UC.
And it's gone. Mananatili sa kanila ang kampiyonato sa men's basketball dito sa 26
And of
season.
course, pati
Dito, the UC Jaguars winning it again for the second consecutive time. Ang 26 season basketball, men's basketball. Okay, so kasamang Chris. So mamaya makakausap natin si Coach Heinz Hakdong for some chat. So once again, the UC Jaguars made it 2 in a row against the UB Cardinals in the last 2 years of the men's basketball here in the BBL season. So ito nga, no, it's a sweet victory kagaya ng sinabi natin kanina. To win a title is a difficult one, but then to defend it is it's more difficult, mas mahirap